Look at the corrosion on this link right here.
Yep. Yeah, that's significant wear. We need to log this immediately.
Watch the lines on the starboard side.
Secured. All clear to lift.
Regulator secure. Tank pressure is good. Check the buoyancy compensator. Roger that. Mast and fins are ready.
Watch the tension on that cable. We're hitting heavy swells on the starboard side. Maintain present course.
ECD secure. Air pressure steady at 200 bar. Roger that. Ready for deployment.
Showing maximum tension on the main cable. Ease her up slowly. Okay, bring it up slowly. We've got heavy sway. Copy that. Watching the load. A little to the left now.
Keep it steady. Bring it around to the starboard side. Watch the swing. Lots of momentum there. All right, slowly down now. Easy. Hold it steady. Lower, lower. Watch the deck. Clear the lines. Come on, put your back into it. It's moving, just a little more.
Watch the leverage. Don't break the bar. Ready? Pull on 3. 1, 2. Heave. Look, over there in the corner.
What is that?
I don't know. Stay ready.
Is that the Supra? The one from the movie? How did it end up down there?
After weeks at sea, the target was finally secured. The legendary orange Supra, exactly as it was found on the seabed.
Take the weight, steady lift. Watch the pitch. Heave on that line now.
Is that secure on your end?
All right, it's tight, ready for the winch.
Keep the tension on that line.
All right, she's coming down now, easy, easy.
Look at the coral growth on the fender.
Yeah, the entire undercarriage is compromised. We need to document everything before we move it.
Recovered from the deep, the iconic Supra shows the signs of its long submersion, encrusted with algae and barnacles.
You need to be careful around the decals. Start with low pressure on the roof.
Got it. How about the coral patches?
I'll try the soft brush here first.
At the rear quarter panel, still got barnacles there. Roger that, moving to the rear. Careful now, easy with the door.
Looks like the cabin is flooded, lots of water coming out.
Get that spoiler section spotless. Roger that, almost done with the glass. All right, finish rinsing the back. We're losing light. Copy that. Hose is almost clear.
Look at that shine. Amazing, isn't it? All that hard work paid off.
Look at the state of this engine bay. They did a remarkable job with the restoration.
Absolutely, it's pristine.
After weeks underwater, the iconic Supra is finally brought back to the surface, a testament to its enduring legacy.
Watch the spoiler, make sure those are tight. Good and tight. I can't believe they managed to restore it to this condition after 5 years underwater.
The engine looks brand new, absolutely pristine.
Make sure those chains are double locked.
Oh yeah, they're secured.
The engine bay is completely dry. They did an incredible job cleaning it.
It's pristine. Almost ashamed to get it wet again. Watch the crane swing.
Bring it down slowly, watch your feet.
All right, it's secure. Let's head inside.
All readings are stable. The restoration work is impressive.
Agreed. The structural integrity is sound.